Welcome to Trending Motor Vibes, your one-stop destination for everything on wheels. Today, we dive deep into the modern marvel of 2025, the Maruti Suzuki Altroz. This modified masterpiece is setting new benchmarks for style, performance, and technology, and we're here to break it down for you, piece by piece. Starting with the design, the 2025 Altroz gets a bold aerodynamic body kit that enhances its sporty appeal. The sleek LED matrix headlights blend seamlessly with the redesigned grille, while the rear sports a striking diffuser and dynamic LED taillights. Custom 18-inch alloy wheels paired with low-profile tires not only enhance its stance but also improve grip and handling. Under the hood, the Altroz features a turbocharged 1.5 liters petrol engine pushing out an impressive 150 horsepower, mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. The upgraded ECU mapping ensures smoother throttle response and quicker acceleration. Enhanced by a high-performance exhaust system, the engine growls with a throaty note that enthusiasts will love. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for both comfort and performance, incorporating adjustable dampers that cater to city cruising and spirited drives alike. Braking duties are handled by performance-spec ventilated disc brakes on all four wheels, ensuring exceptional stopping power. Inside, the cabin is a futuristic haven with premium leather and Alcantara upholstery. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, now equipped with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, offers seamless connectivity. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the ambient lighting adds a sophisticated vibe. The updated seats with lumbar support and heating functions make long drives a breeze. Safety is paramount, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. The advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, further enhances the overall driving experience, making it as safe as it is thrilling. Thank you for tuning in to Trending Motor Vibes. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the modified 2025 Maruti Suzuki Altroz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge automotive content. See you next time.